The meaning and preparation of sales ledger, the managing of customer transactions. So the sales ledger is also known as the accounts receivable ledger, and it is a fundamental component of a company's accounting system. Because if I say that it is a fundamental component of a company's accounting system, what I mean by this is that it serves as a detailed record of all transactions related to sales or credit sales and even customer accounts. So the sales ledger in this instance helps to track customer balances, outstanding payments, and it helps to facilitate efficiency management of receivables. So guys, in this section, I'm going to delve into the meaning of sales ledger, furthermore, its importance, and I'm going to provide illustrative examples. So guys, let's go. The literal meaning of sales ledger now. The sales ledger is a ledger account that records individual transactions for each customer who makes purchases on credit from a business. What I mean by this is that it maintains a chronological record of credit sales, cash receipts, discounts, and any adjustment that is hereby related to customer account. So each customer in this instance, they has a separate account within the sales ledger, thereby making it easier to track and manage their financial interactions, the importance or cruciality or essential aspect of sales ledger. Importance of sales ledger now. The importance of sales ledger is very crucial. I'm going to take them one after the other. The first importance is detailed transaction history. What I mean by detailed transaction history is the sales ledger provides a comprehensive record of all sales transactions, thereby allowing the company to monitor customer activities and even track their payment history in some instances. And it is very crucial too. The second one is the credit management. Credit management, it helps in assessing the credit worthiness of customers, thereby settling credit limits and monitoring overdue payments to minimize the risk of bad debt. If this is done properly, the risk of bad debt is going to be very minimal for a business owner. Accurate financial reporting. Guys, the sales ledger ensures that sales revenue and accounts receivable are accurately reported in the company's financial statement. So that's about the third point. The fourth point is customer relations. Having access to up-to-date customer account information, it enables effective communication and resolution of payment-related issues, thereby enhancing customer relations. So guys, having known about the importance of that, let's now go into the preparation of sales ledger that we'll be talking about. So preparation of sales ledger. I'm going to take it to one after the other. The first preparation step is customer account creation. This is very crucial. For each customer, a separate account is established in the sales ledger, and the account include details such as the customer name is very crucial because you can't just have a customer without having name for them. Also the address. Having known the name of the customer, you have to know the address of the particular customer. In case of anything, the credit limit too, and the terms and conditions. That's the first step. Let's go to the second step. The second step is recording sales. For recording sales now, each credit sale is recorded in the sales ledger account of respective customer. And the entry includes, the entry that is supposed to be included is date, invoice number, description of items that is being sold, and even the sales amount. All these I mentioned are very important. The third importance is cash receipts. Cash receipts that is being received from customers are recorded in the sales ledger to update the customer's outstanding balance. The fourth importance is discount and adjustments. Any applicable discounts or returns or adjustments that are entered in the sales ledger to reflect accurate customer balances. Let me talk about the fifth step, which is calculation of balances. The sales account for each customer is periodically balanced to determine the total outstanding amount that is owed by the customer. So that's that about the points, guys. So in conclusion now, the sales ledger is a crucial tool for managing customer transactions, thereby tracking credit sales and even ensuring efficient receivables management. By maintaining accurate and up-to-date sales accounts, an individual businesses can effectively monitor their customers' accounts, thereby enhance credit management and contribute to accurate financial reporting. So guys, the sales ledger serves as a cornerstone in maintaining healthy customer relationship and optimizing cash flows within an organization.